Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll share some important tips on how to take care of your industrial boiler. Whether your boiler runs every day or just a few times a week, regular maintenance helps avoid problems, saves money, and keeps your team safe. At Bidragon, we believe good care is the key to long-lasting and safe boiler operation. Let's begin with what you should do every day. 1. Do a daily check. Start your shift by walking around the boiler. Look for any leaks, water on the floor, or rust on the pipes. Listen for unusual noises, like banging or hissing. Check if the pressure and temperature are within normal range. If something doesn't look or sound right, report it immediately. This quick check can stop a small issue from becoming a big problem. 2. Check the water level. Water is what keeps the boiler working safely. If the water level is too low, the boiler can overheat. This can cause serious damage. Check the water gauge every day. Also make sure the water feed system and pumps are working correctly. At Bidragon, our boilers have clear water level displays to make this step easy. 3. Keep fuel and air balanced. Boilers burn fuel to make heat. To burn fuel properly, the boiler needs the right mix of fuel and air. Too much fuel and not enough air will create black smoke. Too much air will waste energy. Clean the burner and air filters often. Make sure the burner flame looks stable and clean. Blue is better than yellow. 4. Test safety controls weekly. Every week, test the safety valves and shut-off controls. Also check the flame detector, pressure relief valve, and low water cutoff switch. These parts help protect the boiler from failure. If any of them doesn't work, shut the boiler down and fix it before using it again. 5. Do monthly cleaning. Once a month, blow down the boiler to remove dirt and sludge from the bottom. Inspect the burner for soot or blockages. Clean the flame sensor and check the control panel for warning lights or error codes. If something is dirty or worn out, clean it or replace it. 6. Plan for a yearly inspection. Once a year, the boiler should be turned off for a full inspection. Clean the inside parts and check for any scale, soot, or damage. Look at the pipes, valves, and insulation. Replace gaskets, worn seals, and any broken parts. This inspection should be done by trained professionals. Bidragon offers support and service to help with this step. 7. Train your staff. Even the best boiler won't run well without trained people. Teach your staff how to do daily checks, read gauges, and respond to alarms. They should also know how to shut down the system safely if there's a problem. At Bidragon, we support training to help your team stay safe and prepared. Final words. Boiler care is not hard, but it must be done right. At Bidragon, we build boilers that last, and we want them to stay safe. Check often, clean often, stay safe. Thanks for watching.